So today I took some things off here. You can see the shaft. Here is the shaft of the electric motor, and on it was this cover was there. It wasn't even secured with the bolts, it was just loosely there. And then you had this fan, and then this pulley, and this is the fan. I'm not sure if it's like how it's even supposed to work, because it was located like this. I feel like that's the wrong way. I don't know. I mean, is this supposed to be able to cool this? I don't know. It's just blowing the air from the center out. It's not have anything to do with the motor. It should be like this. Then maybe it can take some hot air from these holes and blow it away. So yeah, but there is a cooling problem with this engine. And it says on the engine here some info. Okay, peak power is 35 horsepower, continuous power is 6. That is like nothing. High performance golf carts. It's made for golf carts. It's not intended for cars, it seems, but you can probably use it in a car, but the problem is it's getting too hot. I need to find a way to cool it, and I was thinking about using fans. Maybe there's a fan on the other side, because there is like these holes here, like vent holes. Could be that there is no fan in it, because you can't run this car much at all before it overheats. We're giving 50 kilowatts of power to this motor. When you're accelerating, it can take like 600 amps, I think. So when you're doing that, let's say the motor is like 90% efficient. Then it means that you're pumping out 10%, so that's like 5 kilowatts of heat. That's a lot of heat that you need to get rid of. So we can measure the temperature of the motor right now. So it's 17 degrees. Okay, we're out cruising here. It's going quite slowly. It's like winter again. So yeah, we're giving it 30 amps, 2, 5, 6 kilowatts. So if we accelerate here, it's a bit bumpy. We were running maybe at 40 kilometers per hour. It's 43. So it's getting hot. 50 at some places. You can feel the heat coming off of this thing. So yes. Other things are cooling down. This thing is heating up. See the controller. The controller is cold. We're going at 60. According to the gauge, I'm not sure if it's accurate. These roads are not so good at doing speed tests. Here's a straight path. I'm flooring it. I did another measurement of the motor, and it was like 50 degrees on the shell, but inside it was like 90. So yeah, it's getting quite hot in there. Okay, we got it into the garage. Let's check the temperature. We're at 86 on the motor. That's pretty damn hot. Just want to see if I can get inside this hole and check temperature inside the hole. It's 100. 100 inside the hole. If we look at this display, we have 67% left of the battery. The previous owner said it was 7 kilowatt hours. It might be even less, I don't know. And I lowered the voltage. I'm not going to 4.2, so anyway, I've lowered the capacity with maybe 20%. As the setting is now, it's roughly like between 6 and 6.5 kilowatt hours, I think. we can now calculate how much we consume. 37 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. It's almost the double what a normal car consumes, but we are running at really slow speeds, which could be a factor. I think we got some similar results when I was running this over in when I bought it, when I was taking it to the transport company. The consumption is very high, but it could be because we're going such slow speed. What I've read, you need to go around like at least around 70. Like it's like with normal cars that are powered by fossil fuels. You need to go around 70 or something to get their optimal consumption. You don't get a low consumption if you're going around in 30 kilometers per hour.